first day that I met Sean, it was just so much energy and positivity and fluid. Conversation felt natural, felt like we had an understanding for one another.
Yeah. I mean, I've told you things I've never told anybody else. Like,
Yeah, same.
yeah.
Yeah.
And
My name's Alexandria.
I'm Sean, and this is my best friend. I am a bisexual man. As long as I can remember, I was a very feminine kid, and to others, they made assumptions about that at a very young age with questions that I hadn't even really asked yet. Makeup was one of those ways that I expressed how I felt on the inside. The things that I thought I should be the most ashamed of have now become important parts of my life that make me feel good about myself. And I put liner on and I feel so hot, and it lets me feel confident about myself.
My mom taught me that you wear makeup to enhance your beauty, not change it. I wear makeup because makeup makes me feel powerful. The way that everyone at Sephora has experience with skincare or with makeup and cosmetology in general, they're informed and they're educational and they're able to assist. That's what they did for me.
You walk into Sephora and everybody, no matter what you look like, no matter what your ability, physical ability, whatever it is, like, you are welcome there, and I think that's really beautiful.
I've found my voice and I love my voice. I am a very proud, loud ginger. I love being who I am because it took her so long to become her.
Yeah. Your tribe is the people who understand you and who want to understand you. You can rely on each other, you trust each other,
Yeah.
and that's what the best tribe you can ask for is. What you put into a relationship is what you get out of it.
Yes.
We both have that mentality where I want people to feel completely accepted and welcomed in, and so do you, and it is a safe space.
In a world where it seems like some days we are just not good people to one another, it's really important to have someone like you near them. He affects people because he gives love and he gives light and he gives acceptance, and that makes you so freaking beautiful.
Something like that, like, just means more than you could ever know. And I just am so grateful to have you in my life.